Recording in progress. British imposed a lot of unpopular taxes on the American workers. In retaliation, the Americans started to boycott British goods. In 1773, Americans in Massachusetts dumped a shipload of British tea into Boston Harbor. As punishment, the British imposed laws known as the Intolerable Act, including the quarter and half of British soldiers. Some of the American colonies.
Last student, please close the door. Yes, please, no problem.
I know very not anyone like to offer now it's real. It needs to speak louder and stay behind. Yes. Great. Anyone else?
I was reading from Skinner, so I didn't feel like he was really talking towards me.
You're speaking. Look out there for seconds. Make eye contact with someone. Anything else? Here. Smiling faces. Make sure those. Great idea. I think so. Yeah.
Yes, come.
My presentation will be about constant stress. First topic, okay? Today I'd like to talk about the positive effects of stress, and I hope stress has many consequences in work, life events, or lack of confidence. I know how hard it can be to take stress. Last year, I started working after school to pay for college, but if I didn't have time to do homework, then I had trouble sleeping. I only ate junk food, and I stopped hanging out with my friends. Fortunately, I was even talk to the school counselor to manage my stress. She suggested that I reduce my hours at the job, eat healthy food, and get some exercise. So I literally started walking home from school. I also asked my teacher to stretch it off. Now, I feel better. It's important to recognize when you're stressed and ask for help. Great look. I want you to today's presentation. Smile. Help us through.
Yes. First question to me.
Yes, online students, are you able to hear my voice? Am I audible? Online students, am I audible? I'm audible? Okay. Hello? Better? Okay. Yes, first question I want to ask is, there's a term referred to in this video that is called constructive feedback. What is the meaning of constructive feedback? And what is the difference between a normal feedback and constructive feedback? Yes. बोलिए बच्चे.
फीडबैक ऐसे नॉर्मल हो गया कि स्पीच कैसा था, अच्छा था या फिर मतलब बुरा था, ठीक है. और कंस्ट्रक्टिव यानी आप उसको किस तरह से आगे सुधार सकते हैं, क्या क्या उसमें मतलब ऐड करके अपना स्पीच.
Yes, you can switch the count, बच्चे. You can switch the count.
सबसे शॉर्ट ज़्यादा होगा.
1 मिनट. इसको करेक्ट करके मैं बुलाऊंगी, आप जाइए, ठीक है. जा रहे हैं. अच्छा 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Yes, feedback means that you are giving some opinion about the speech. आप अपना जो भी उसके स्पीच के बारे में सोचते हैं ये बता रहे हैं. कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक मीन्स, बच्चे नेक्स्ट क्लास चेक हो जाएगी, ले जाइए, दे दीजिए बाकी सबको भी ले जाइए. कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक का मतलब ये होता है, द फीडबैक यानी कि वो ओपिनियन आपका जो आप जिसको आप उसको बताएंगे तो वो कुछ उसमें इम्प्रूव कर सके. दैट मीन्स समथिंग दैट ही कैन इम्प्रूव एंड डिलीवर द स्पीच मच बेटर. ठीक है, दैट इज द ट्रू डिफरेंस. फीडबैक कोई भी दे सकता है, बट कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक एज अ फ्रेंड or as a classmate, it is your duty also. As a teacher, it is my job to do that. Yes. सपोर्टिव फीडबैक मतलब ये कि आप उसको जो उसने किया, जो स्पीच उसने डिलीवर किया, यू आर सपोर्टिंग समथिंग, बट उसको और इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, देयर वाज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन द स्पीच, बट देयर माइट बी अ पोजीशन वेयर ही कैन डिलीवर अ बेटर स्पीच. ठीक है, बट देयर वर मिस्टेक्स इन हिज स्पीच, दैट इज व्हाई सपोर्टिव फीडबैक नहीं मिलेगा, कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक मिलेगा. ओके, तो कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक देने का ये मतलब होता है, इट इज एज अ फ्रेंड एंड एज अ क्लासमेट, इट इज ऑल्सो some of your responsibility to help your classmates. If someone is going to deliver here, आप अगर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक उसको दे सकते हैं. हाउ? बिकॉज यू आर द ऑडियंस, राइट. यहाँ पर अगर क्लास में someone is delivering a speech, you are the main audience. ठीक है, so you can give a constructive feedback so that all your classmates grow along with your. ओके, ऐसा नहीं करना है कि हाँ वो जैसा भी कर रहा है इट इज ओके, आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय ओन. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, यू आर अ ग्रोन अप, यू हैव टू, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट अ टीम प्लेयर एंड टीम लीडर डज. अगर आप काम करना चाहते हैं, यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट फर्दर इन फ्यूचर यू आर नॉट बी वर्किंग अलोन, यू विल बी वर्किंग इन अ टीम. तो टीम में रहकर अपने आप की ग्रोथ को, टीम की ग्रोथ से आपको ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, next question is what the things that we have discussed in the last class also, जो तीनों कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक उसे ऑडियंस ने दी. ठीक है, that changed when he changed the topic to, right. जब उसका पहला टॉपिक था वो इंस्ट्रक्टिव इंफॉर्मेटिव था, सेकेंड उसका जो था वो मोटिवेशनल था. बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन टॉपिक, ठीक है, सम थिंग्स आर लाइक वो हेल्प हो जाती है आपकी. अगर आप एक मोटिवेशनल टॉपिक उठाते ही हैं, then that is something that you can deliver a proper motivational speech that is helping you to deliver a much better speech. but to create like to pick an informative topic and create an informative topic, और उसको आप अगर एक अच्छा स्पीच डिलीवर कर सकते हैं उस टॉपिक को लेकर, then you have a growth in yourself. Okay, okay, fine. Anyone else who is having any question regarding the speeches? दोनों ही स्पीच में लेकर अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं अभी. Is there any doubt regarding the topics or regarding the delivery? नहीं है. Again I would like to mention कि जरूरी नहीं है, अगर ये चीज मैंने क्लास में नहीं बताई तो मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, अगर बता दिए तो मैं रिपीट करना चाहती हूँ. Even if you have the speech in your hand and you're reading the speech doesn't mean that your delivery cannot be good, right? उसके पास भी speech उसके हाथ में थी, but still he has practiced that speech, and since he was telling a story that had actually happened with him, it was easier to not look on the paper but to look in the eyes of the audience, right? Because वो उसका अपना एक स्टोरी था, अपनी लाइफ में कुछ गुजरा हुआ उसका एक स्टोरी था. That is why it is much easier to deliver a motivational content, because whenever someone is motivating to you something to do, वो अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस बताता है कि हाँ मेरी लाइफ में भी ऐसा ही हुआ, एंड दिस थ्रू आई हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड आई हैव टेकन दिस स्टेप्स टू सॉरी ओवरकम दिस. ठीक है, तो जब भी आप कोई ऐसा कंटेंट लिखते हैं जहां आप अपनी खुद की स्टोरी लगाते हैं, तो उसके लिए यू डोंट हैव टू रिमेम्बर समथिंग, राइट? आपको पता है कि क्या हुआ है, यू नो द कंटेंट इन योर हेड, यू जस्ट हैव टू क्रिएट इट like a story so that everyone is engrossed in that, right? Everyone is paying attention to your story. That is important. ठीक है, तो आप जब भी अपना कंटेंट लिखेंगे, अगर आप अपने स्पीच अपनी हाथ में भी रखते हैं, आप वहां खड़े होके भी उसके ऊपर रख देंगे, देन दैट डजंट मैटर कि आपकी डिलीवरी अच्छी नहीं हो सकती है. आपकी डिलीवरी आपके स्टाइल पे डिपेंड करती है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ what things do you have to take care of while delivering a speech? Speak louder. Okay. Eye contact. Smiling. Okay. Sorry. Yes, switch off your mobile. वो तो general है कि you are coming in the class, you must have seen the poster there. You are not allowed to use cell phone, and if you are caught using cell phone other than anything related to the class, then your mobile phone will be confiscated and you have to pay 500 fine. And other than that, your parents will be informed about that. So मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ आधे बच्चे 500 रुपए देने से ज्यादा अच्छा समझेंगे कि पापा की डांट ना खाएं, तो इसीलिए अपना फोन अंदर रखिए. If you are doing a class something related to the class, then it's okay. ठीक है, अगर किसी टीचर ने कहा है कि you can join the classroom here, then you can take your switch on your phones. Other than that, आप अपना मोबाइल फोन साइड रखिए, बिकॉज इट इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन फॉर योर एज. ठीक है, वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, ये मान के चलना है. देयर इज नथिंग गुड इन दैट. वो मान के चलोगे तो वो सिर्फ काम के लिए चीज में काम आएगा. ओके, नाउ टेल मी कि जिन लोगों ने स्पीचेस लिखी है, आई जस्ट वांट टू नो द टॉपिक्स जिन्होंने मैंने पूछ लिया है, अदर देन दो स्टूडेंट हु हैव रिटन द स्पीच एनीथिंग पैराग्राफ और स्पीच, उनका बस मुझे टॉपिक्स बता दीजिए. Yes. Pollution. Okay. Sorry? Health is wealth. Yes. Balanced diet. Okay. Education. Sorry? Role of technology. Okay. Sorry? Yes. नहीं, जिन्होंने बता दिया है, other than दो स्टूडेंट, किसी ने अगर स्पीच अटेम्प्ट की है तो just tell me the topic. Internet. Career in? I'm sorry. Our life. Career in your life. That is the topic. Okay. Stock market. Okay. Sorry? Self confidence. अच्छा, तो ये सारे टॉपिक्स जो हैं, इसमें से आधे इंफॉर्मेटिव हैं, आधे मोटिवेशनल हैं, राइट? तो अब मुझे ये बताइए, दोनों के कंटेंट में तो डिफरेंस है, बट डिफरेंस कब पता चलेगा? व्हेन यू आर डिलीवरिंग द स्पीच. सो इज देयर एनीवन हु इज रेडी टू डिलीवर द स्पीच? You are. Please raise your hand who are ready to deliver the speech. Okay, 2 hands are raised. नहीं, ये आधा अधूरा नहीं करना है. If you want to deliver, raise your hand. Yes, 4 students. ये जो नर्वसनेस वहां बैठे बैठे हो रही है, ये मत सोचिए कि कोई और चला जाएगा पहली बार देने तो आपकी नर्वसनेस खत्म हो जाएगी. नहीं. Until and unless you come up here, वो जो दिमाग में बस चल रहा है ना कि अरे क्या हो जाएगा वहां जाकर, वो यहाँ आकर ही पता चलेगा. ओके, so who will be the first one to deliver? Yes, please come. Yes, 1 minute. Online students, if you want to deliver, you can raise your hand. Okay, if you have written a speech and you would like to deliver it, you can just raise your hand. Yes, take this. Online students will be able to hear you. उनको भी सुनाना है. They have to. They will be able to communicate. Yes. One more thing. एक मिनट देखिए. Yes. If you are holding the mic, you are holding a responsibility. तो ऐसा नहीं बोलना है कि पूरी बिल्डिंग को सुनाई दे जाए. Only who are present in the class should be able to hear you. Okay. So if your voice is louder, you have to take care कि आप धीरे बोले या फिर माइक थोड़ा दूर रखें. और माइक को कभी ऐसे पकड़ के मत बोलिएगा. You are not हिमेश रेशमिया. Okay. तो ऐसे रखिए and अच्छे से बोलिए. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. I am here to give a speech on a fantastic topic, and my topic is Internet, a friend or a foe. Internet is an ocean of information. From the 21st century, its importance has increased a lot. Before having a talk on it, I should inform you that it was invented in 1983. Winter Park is recognized as the father of Internet. After the invention of computers, scientists thought on a question that how should we connect the computers which are placed miles away. After many years of research and experiments, they got the answer in the form of Internet. From the name, we can get meaning of its name. That is international network. In India, there is a very famous line which is about the livelihood. That is roti, kapda, or makan. But seeing the present scenario, I would like to add one more thing in this: Internet. Hence, we can say roti, kapda, makan, and Internet are the essential things in our life. We use Internet in every realm of our life, from morning rise to night sleep. It has made our life much easier. Counting the benefits of it, it may take a long list, but few benefits which we can recognize in our daily lives are entertainment, reading books, location of unknown place used as a Google map, advertisements, shopping, and much more things. It has created a vast opportunities of employment globally. Earlier, to get any information on any particular topic, the people had to search in many books, but now we have an internet, from which we can access the information kept just few clicks far from us. Nowadays, we have many options of social media, daily usable applications, which makes our life easier and simpler. This saves our energy and time. But my friends, only one side of internet won't be too stable. Due to easy availability of internet, it has become the platform of rumors launching pads, isn't it? There are many rumors which we come across in our daily lives. The netizens. Netizens means the people who use the internet for many hours, who usually are busy in network surfing, won't realize the amount of time that they have lost. This internet is also becoming one of our reasons for heinous crimes, like the thugs which are usually deceive us. These days, we are getting addicted to it, which is affecting our adversely to our mental health. Nowadays, it appears that every age group are becoming the slaves of it. Every invention which are done has the motive of welfare for humankind, not to deteriorate it, not to deteriorate them. It's we who has to decide either to use it as a friend or as a foe. At last, I would like to say the conscious and the correct use of internet will always benefit us. Thank you.
Yes. What constructive feedback would you like to give him? Yes. Taking too much pauses. Okay. So you think there's no variation and fluency in his speech. Okay. Yes, I agree. But the thing is, this is the first time I expect you are giving the speech. So it is okay if you are. बट द थिंग इज कि आपको इससे आगे बढ़ना है तो ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि वो आगे ना हो. ठीक है. नाउ यू नो दैट यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर फ्लुएंसी, तो आप उस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर सकते हैं. एनीवन एल्स? यस यस प्लीज. अच्छा, यू वुड लाइक टू डिलीवर स्पीच? यस, कम. One minute, let me just take the attendance. I'll translate. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, my dear friends. I'm Neeraj and I am a BCA student. Today, I am going to talk about a personality who lives in the future more than today and think only about the future. I'm not trying to be anyone's savior. I'm just trying to think about the future, not be sad. This is the quotes of Elon Musk, also known as Real Iron Man. His full name is Elon Reeve Musk, born in Pretoria, Transvaal, South Africa in June 28th, June 1971. He is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, CEO and product architecture of Tesla, founder of Boring Company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. A central billionaire, Musk is the richest person in the world as of September 2021. And now their net worth is $202 billion, US billion dollar. He is the very innovative person and their thinking is so futuristic. And I am very inspiring with him. Thank you.
Grammatical mistakes.
Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Ujjwal Kumar. I want to deliver a speech on importance of balanced diet. As we all know, balanced diet is the key to healthy life. Eating healthy diet is all about feeling great, having more energy, improving your health, and boosting your mood. Good nutrition, physical activity, and healthy body are essential parts of person's overall health and well-being. There is no question the importance of healthy food in our life. Unless you maintain a proper diet for a healthy body, you may be prone to disease, infection, or even exhaustion. The importance of nutritious food for children especially need to be highlighted, since otherwise they may end up being prone to several growth and development problems. Some of the most common health problems that arise from lack of balanced diet are heart disease, cancer, stroke, diabetes. Thank you.
It wasn't lengthy.
मैम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
अच्छा, I have unmuted. Sorry, बच्चे. Yes, am I audible now? Okay, I have muted them. I guess. Anyone else? Yes, come. वो बैठे रह जाओगे तो ये मत सोचना कि I have forgotten. वो next class you will be the first one to go. Try to finish it in 2 weeks.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, today we are going to talk about Anthony. We all know my topic is MS Dhoni and inspiration. Popularly known as Captain, due to his calm and personality in difficult situations, MSD
नीचे रखिए थोड़ा.
MSD living a life millions of rising cricketers. But it wasn't an easy journey for him to reach where he is today. At a very young age, Dhoni had seen a dream which many feared to see. Coming from a very small town, Karachi, which is currently also the capital of Pakistan, Dhoni dared to dream and courage and guts make that dream reality. His ideal was successful, to which he was seeing in his childhood TV. He was born in July 1981 in Ranchi. In early age, he was a football player. One day, his coach sees and tell him to